Ever felt like you need your Raiz money fast? Maybe a sudden expense popped up, or you're finally ready to cash in on your investments. But how long does it actually take to get your hands on your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. Now, the good news is Raiz Malaysia generally aims for quick withdrawals. However, there are a few factors that can influence how long it takes. Withdrawal method. Fastest, bank transfers are usually the quickest option. Consider, factors like your bank's processing times can play a role. Alternative, you might also be able to withdraw to your linked e-wallet, which could be even faster. Withdrawal amount. Smaller amounts, typically processed faster than larger withdrawals. Larger sums may require additional verification steps, potentially extending the processing time. Market conditions. High trading volume can sometimes cause slight delays in processing withdrawals. Raiz internal processes. System maintenance. While rare, planned maintenance periods might temporarily affect withdrawal processing. Let's break it down with a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you need to withdraw RM1000. You initiate a bank transfer withdrawal on a weekday. Under normal circumstances, you could expect to see the funds in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. But remember, these are just general estimates. Raiz Malaysia provides more specific information on their website and within their app. It's always best to refer to their official channels for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Here's a quick look at how the withdrawal process typically works within the Raiz Malaysia app. Log in, access your Raiz Malaysia account. Navigate to the withdrawal page, find the withdrawal option within the app. Enter withdrawal amount, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Select withdrawal method, choose your preferred withdrawal method, bank transfer, e-wallet. Confirm and submit, review the details and confirm your withdrawal request. Once submitted, you will usually receive confirmation within the app or via email. You can then track the status of your withdrawal within the app itself. Pro tip, if you have any concerns or encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, don't hesitate to contact Raiz Malaysia's customer support. They're usually very responsive and can assist you with any questions or problems you may have. Key takeaways. Withdrawal times can vary. Bank transfers are generally the quickest option. Smaller withdrawals are usually processed faster. Raiz Malaysia provides estimated timelines on their official channels. Always refer to Raiz Malaysia's official channels for the most accurate information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.